Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to Perry's Ocean Edge Resort. Today we're taking a look at one of the rooms that not only has 2 queen beds but also a kitchenette. It's also located right on the beach. You're not going to want to miss this one, so let me turn you around and show you what one of these rooms has. So the first thing you'll notice when we step into this room is that we do have a narrow entryway. Off to the left we have a closet with sliding doors. It's a pretty good sized closet. Definitely have plenty of room to put our luggage and some clothes that we would like to hang. There is an ironing board, luggage rack, and what is this? A hairdryer. This room has 2 queen beds. So you can see right here we do have 2 queen beds. And it also has a kitchenette. We haven't gotten there quite yet, but let's take a quick look. We have a mirror right here, nice full-length mirror so you can check yourself out, make sure you're ready for your day. We do have a television and a dresser, very big drawers on this dresser. And it's not loud. These are closing nice and quiet, which is great because that means it's more likely to be quiet in this room. Over here, we have a desk with a chair. This is fantastic. I love having like a command center in the room where you can put all of your necessities. Perry's Ocean Edge Resort. This is the same logo that they've had pretty much forever. I stayed here more than 2 decades ago, and it's one of the reasons we're here today, actually. Thought it would be fun. So here we are. We have a lamp here that does have outlets, not only standard outlets but also USB, which is great. So we can charge laptops, electronic devices and everything over here. That's nice. Do have some artwork on the wall, which is lovely. Let's turn this way though. You'll see we have the bathroom over there by the entryway and the 2 beds. There's also a lock-off, so we do have the ability to have adjoined rooms here at Perry's, which is great. But let's take a second and head into the bathroom. So this isn't a very big bathroom, but it does feel spacious enough. As you can see, we have a walk-in shower with sliding glass door. We do not have a tub in here. Got a handle and just a pretty standard shower head, but it is clean, so that's nice. Of course, we have the glass sliding door over here, which it looks like it opens on both sides, which is great. That means that we can turn the shower on without getting wet. I love that. Nothing like turning the shower on and getting soaking wet just because you're trying to get started, and then it's cold water, you know, it's a whole thing. Do have some towels. We've got our toilet with our extra roll of toilet paper. There is a window in here, which I assume you can open, get a little bit of extra ventilation, which is nice. And then we have the towel rack, all of the towels. We have a nice mirror in here too that does have a light, so let's turn that on. Wow, it is super bright in here with that. That's fantastic. I really do like that. And then we have a few amenities. We've got some body lotion and cleansing bars. I think there are some amenities in the shower as well that I passed by really quickly. Have some conditioner. Both are conditioner and then 2 sets of shampoo. Okay, so shampoo and conditioner. I also really like that this is here so we can put our things somewhere without just having to hang them on that bar, which is really nice. Again, it's not a huge bathroom, but I do think it's spacious enough. And there's definitely plenty of counter space to put all of your toiletries. So I think that that does help. It does make the bathroom feel a little bit bigger. But let's go ahead and shut this door and turn around so we can see the rest of the room. So like I said, we have 2 queen beds in this room. They are on a platform, so you can't stow anything underneath them, but there is plenty of space to stow your things. Of course, space over there in the corner. And we do have the closet, and there's going to be much more space in this room as we move through it. But first, let's take a look at this nightstand. So we have a lamp here, and just like the other lamp, it does have some outlets as well as USB. Then we have this nightstand here that is, again, rather clean. Do have some space to tuck things away in that nightstand, which is great. Over here, we have a couch, and this is a pull-out couch, which means we can sleep even more people in this room, making this a pretty good value, if you ask me. Of course, there's a light over here, which I'm not sure how to turn on. So it's not on right now, but offers a little bit more light. And we do have a table here as well. This is a little hard to move. It's a little heavy. Doesn't move very easily, but if we had to, we could definitely move it out of the way. And there are plenty of places in this room that we could tuck that table as well. Now that we've seen this part of the room, we're gonna turn this direction. Don't worry, we'll go out there here in a second and step into the kitchenette. So this room does have a kitchenette, which is a pretty good size, honestly. The definition of kitchenette is different depending on who you ask, but this is actually a kitchen. That's how I would describe this. Small, but definitely is a full kitchen. So let's take a quick look at what we've got here. So first and foremost, we have a full-size fridge and freezer, which is always nice. It's fantastic to have a place to store food and cold drinks, especially when you're right on the beach, because having food and cold drinks is like a must. Saves a lot of money as well. Then we have a good-sized sink right here. Under the sink, we do have some necessities. So we have a colander, cutting board, and a drying rack for our dishes. There is a coffee maker up here. It is a full-size coffee maker. We also have some soap as well as towels. Let's see. Got some coffee. And of course, what we need to make our coffee drinkable, somewhat delicious, unless you like black coffee, but you know, to each their own. Here we have a toaster, some glasses and mugs. Let's see. We also have this little notice here. Up here we have some bowls and plates. We also have some pots and pans, which is really useful because we have a good size range and oven. Now this is smaller, probably apartment size. I mean, I guess it depends on who you ask, but we have what we need to cook in here, which of course is fantastic. Having a kitchen in your room can be a game changer when it comes to traveling. More about that some other time. We also have a microwave. This is also a small microwave, but it'll get the job done, which is, again, great. And then if we turn this way, not only do we have a huge window, which is fantastic because that means we get this fantastic view of the ocean, but we also have a table for 4, which is great. A little bit of artwork on the wall, broom, dustpan, trash can. I mean, this is a great little setup. Definitely feels like a good-sized kitchen. Certainly a good-sized kitchen for a room, if you were to ask me. We're gonna take a step outside here in a second, but I did want to just show you the climate control in this room. So it's right here. Looks like it functions well, and it's keeping the room cool. Also, no funny business with the controls. Seems easy to use. Everything looks like it's working well, so that's great. But here we go. We need to check out the view from our balcony. And here it is. This is our view of Daytona Beach from our room. I mean, what more could you ask for? Now this balcony has 2 chairs and a little table. Of course, the railing is right here and it's looking a little bit rough, don't get me wrong. We'll talk more about that in our review of this resort, but we also have a clear divide between balconies, so lots of privacy here, which I think is fantastic. As you can see, we have that divide on that side as well. And that about does it for our tour of room 607 here at Perry's Ocean Edge Resort. If you've ever stayed here, let us know by leaving a comment down below. Of course, don't forget to like this video if you liked this video and subscribe so that you don't miss our review of this resort, which will be coming soon. Also, don't forget to let us know what you think of this room and share your thoughts on having a kitchen in your hotel room wherever it is that you stay. Of course, we look forward to seeing what you have to say. Until then, we hope that you have a great day and we look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.